Meaning of immodest.
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 Immodest. The word immodest is an adjective used to describe behavior that is excessively bold or revealing. It implies a lack of modesty, discretion, or decorum in one's actions or mannerisms. This word can be applied to individuals who dress or act in ways that are considered inappropriate or offensive to others, or to those who openly boast or flaunt their accomplishments or possessions. It can also refer to actions or words that are brazen or shameless. In general, behavior that is immodest is seen as inappropriate or disrespectful in most social contexts.